Hello, my name is Robert McMillen. I would like to welcome you to my course, Implement and Manage Device and Application Protection. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer, consultant, and college instructor. In this course, we discover how to protect Windows and mobile devices using built-in utilities and features in Windows 10, as well as utilizing the cloud service from Microsoft called Intune. Intune can protect Windows, Mac, Android, and Apple iOS devices using policies and device configurations. You'll learn how to join a Windows and mobile device into Intune and how to configure and protect these devices through allowed features and how to allow only trusted applications. You'll also learn how to control Windows devices using group policy. I demonstrate how to properly configure a Windows Active Directory domain and forest in Microsoft Azure using Hyper-V virtual machines. And then I join a Windows 10 computer to the domain. We then discover how to control and protect the joined computers using applied group policy settings. By the end of this course, you'll be able to manage and protect Windows and mobile devices in your organization. I hope you'll join me in learning these great technologies from Microsoft in my course, Implement and Manage Device and Application Protection.